is a picture of my baby.
I got a McLaren F1 car.
I know.
Oh, you know. Thanks, Tom. Ready to run. Oh, it's even a remote control. Tom bought himself a remote control car.
You'll be open.
Another gift, Tommy. Can you grab that out for her? Oh my goodness.
I haven't seen George yet. How do you get the card? Another box. Flip it over. I think it's open on the other end.
Yep. Turn it over.
Thank you. We're ready for football.
Is there a boyfriend in there?
Yeah.
Can you get the next box out?
She's like, you trying to play games with me?
A wheelbarrow race with a two-legged man or three-legged man.
Well, I can't show you that. Thank you.
See, it says barley.
Cool shot.
Did you see the shirt?
I'm getting to that.
There's Paul's at the bottom of the wraparound.
Thank you.
How's that?
Good.
Thanks, Tom.
You're welcome.
You really have to do that, though.
Fine, $20.
Yeah. Your love
Okay.
is enough for
Careful
me.
with what's in there. It's very breakable.
Occasionally.
Do you know what they are?
Yeah, One Direction ticket.
They are One Direction tickets to the concert in July. Are you excited?
I'll be like, let me, yes, and then I got a free Christmas. What?
What'd you get, Chess? Say it really loud for the camera. What'd you get?
One Direction ticket.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I want to Christmas.
You sure you want to go?
Yes. Mom, which one should I open first?
Whichever one you want. Either's fine.
Okay, which one?